Well guys, welcome back to another video. Never thought I'd be making a video like this. If you don't, this is what I mean guys. And no, my car did not break. I got hit and run. I do have a dash cam. I'm gonna try to see if there's clips. I can't even speak right now. Basically all got fucked up because I parked my car in the street about 4 hours ago to be exact. I got into a hit and run. I'll check the dash cam, but the car was full of snow. I'll post photos here. So y'all can see my phone is currently charging right now. I'm gonna be trying to finding a clip on the dash cam and see if it's totaled or not. I will be getting a rental, I believe, so we're gonna about to see that. What's that, dude? Alright, anyways, yeah, accident. Got my rental, but guys, damage. Probably gonna go check on it tomorrow. It's full of snow. Not gonna be able to. My hands are shaking, cracking. Thank you. Rims cracked. So what's up guys, we are now back at the crime scene. I went to the parking spot where I got hit and I picked up the pieces that was left behind. This was definitely part of my rims. Bronze, it's definitely part of mine. Although this one looks like it's from a SUV, definitely. It's like a fender. Something like that. Definitely this one is not mine. Or it could have been mine. But this one is definitely not. And I saw a couple of shiny pieces here. Just gonna take a look around and see. The worst part about there is no tracks of the road or the tires because it was heavily snowing. So you can see, take a look here. Definitely not part of my car. See that crazy stuff happening, guys? Definitely not part.
Definitely a couple of smaller blisters. So my tires were about here. I saw something earlier. Basically the tires were up there. From here, it lifted all the way here when I got hit. So, I'll take a look around this area. Look for some evidence that was left behind. Uh-oh, what's this one over here?
Look at how thick the snow is. For something unusual in this area. Hi, is there someone in the building at the concierge?
Yeah, I'm here. I can see you.
Huh.
Yeah, hello?
Probably should have brought my gloves, guys, but there we go. That's a better look. Whoopsies! Gang, gang.
Brother! 3561 check for 1537. Hello?
Let me have a second. You want to video or situation?
It's all good. Fairly. United Towing handles that. Dude, Stelvio. That's sick.
These guys almost crashed into each other.
So what's up, guys? We are now here a couple days after. So yeah, the car is wrecked. Everything is off now, I believe. Nothing. Well, let me just show you. It seems pretty bad from this angle because the bumper is off, but we'll see how it goes. So here's the car right now. Definitely mangled up. Headlights are gone because they have to, like, you know, order the right ones. This is the proper fixed size. This one, as you can see, it's a bit bent and stuff. Definitely bent, mashed up. This one definitely mangled up. Interesting. Aftermarket lights are off. Rims are definitely cracked. Bumpers. Hood as well. Very sad day. Tires are almost flat, I believe. The rear ones. So let's try to assess the damage. Coilover seems to be fine, although I cannot take a video of everything here. Let's turn on the flash. You guys tell me. Put you in there. What's going on out there? Interesting. As you can see, nothing is, you know, nothing's broken, I believe. This one definitely is bent from this area, but that should be all right because it has to be like this, straight. So let's try to assess the damage. Coilover seems to be fine, although I cannot take a video of everything here. Let's turn on the flash. You guys tell me. Put you in there. What's going on out there? Everything seems to be fine here, but this one seems to be curved. But it looks like it wasn't hit because it looks like that's how it's actually supposed to be. So it gets thinner there. This part is thick though, so it looks like it's supposed to be like that. And if I understand the actual thing that had happened was this one supposed to be flat there and it just got pushed here because the collision was here. It wasn't directly coming from here to there straight. So I don't know if that's bent. I don't think it's bent, but it looks like it is from this angle, definitely. But this one you can't really tell because of all this going on over here, ECU and stuff. But if I look at it here, it definitely goes thinner as well. So I'm gonna have to double check with that. Interesting. So I'm guessing it does bend from the other side as well, hopefully. Anyways, engine is not damaged at all, I believe. Just this part is bent, so that is a good sign. Here we go. Anyways, what is up guys, update video over here. Today I'm just struggling to put the microphone on because I want this to be clear and stuff like that. So mic check. Anyways, update video over here. Basically I have called the insurance company. They have responded back to me, and mind you, today is February 17th, Thursday, luckily my day off. I was told by the insurance company, they called me today saying I have to return the rental because they're gonna do a re-investigation or investigating again. They want to investigate the scene after 16 days. Like, happened in February 2nd. It is now February 17th, so that's about 16 days. Now they tell me return the rental because they're going to reinvestigate the situation. What's funny is the body shop called me yesterday saying, hey, good news. The agent or the adjuster sent a response saying we're going to be starting the repair soon, and it will be done first week of March or March 1st because it's going to take 9 to days. And today, after one day, another insurance broker called me. They saying, hi, I am now in charge. I'm not going to disclose any names, but he's telling me he is now in charge of the my claim, telling me that they want to reinvestigate the situation. After 16 days, they want to reinvestigate or investigate. And I was telling the dude, like, yo, man, like, no offense, with all due respect, you're telling me this now, return the car, nothing will be covered because they want to investigate the scenario. And I'm like, why now? And he's like, I don't have an answer why, but I am doing whatever it is the law, so they want to investigate the situation. And I'm like, bro, it's like 15 days, man. Why investigate now? So if you are watching this, I am literally uploading this vlog for you, the adjuster, because you won't believe me. It's like, I get it, like, you know what I mean? Some people do stupid shit saying, plan to, I guess that is why. Like, I was talking to a bunch of people saying insurance is very strict because things like this happen where people actually plan an accident just to get their car, repaired by the insurance for free, etc., etc. I mean, like, bro, have you seen my car? Does it look like I want to mess it up? Like, no offense. I'm just saying, I put some blood, sweat, and tears on that car. I know it's bad, but it's the best thing. It's the best hobby I have so far, rather than doing drugs and shit. So, like, does it look like I want to mess it up? Like, no, right? I've sent you the photos, everything. So, if you want more proof, this is your proof, because this will be the vlog that I planned on uploading because it was a hit and run, and you know what I mean? Like, I swear on my mom and dad's life, this was a hit and run. I am not lying. So if the adjuster, Bella Direct, I'm not gonna mention your name, if you are watching this, this is the video of what had happened, and you'll see that I am telling the truth, hence why I'm a bit with an attitude when I was on the phone with you, because you're telling me to return the car after like 16 days because you want to reinvestigate, saying, like, it just tells me that you don't trust your, you know what I mean, the insured. So like, it is what it is. You're doing your job. No offense, props to you. You're doing your job. And here is me doing my job, doing my part, showing you what had happened was, because this was a hit and run, and I cannot wait to see my car and drive it. So you do you, you do your business. You know what I mean? Get the engineer, check the ECU, check the block box, check out everything what you need to see. Whatever, you know what I mean? Check the actually, if you could check the cameras of that building near the address that I told you, 3 Andale Drive, do it. Like, you're doing me a solid favor by doing that. Like, check the cameras. I talked to the dudes at the buildings, and they said their cameras are only facing the sidewalk, not the parking. So low-key give up on that. So if you could have someone check the cameras of all the buildings around there, please, because I do not want to pay 1,000. Like, I have to pay 1,000 to you because it's a hit and run, and like, I have to pay that. Like, I get it. Like, you know what I mean? It sucks. It is what it is. Hit and run. The guy dipped. Whatever, right? My dash cam didn't record because it was all covered in snow, which you will see in this video. So here you go. Here's the video, and I don't even know. Like, subscribe. I'll update you soon what the car is and how the car is doing and what's up. And alright, here goes the video.